guys. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. This is the biggest trout I've caught in my life. Dude, that is a big trout. Okay, I need to weigh this thing. I don't even... This thing is huge. Okay. Zeroed out. £6, 3 ounces. Can you guys see that? Whoa. 6 pounds, 3 ounces. Holy smokes. Okay, I need to get her back in the water. Oh shit. Okay, give me a sec, mama. I got you. Oh my gosh. Dude, I've never seen a trout this big ever in my life. Ever. Okay, let's let her go. There she goes. Wow. Incredible.